Hello there, my tools. Welcome back to my channel. It is yours truly, Miss Bliss. If you're new tuning in, a warm welcome. So glad that you decided to stop by and check out today's video. I just kind of wanted to follow up with you guys really quickly and kind of show you where I am with my tapered haircut journey. I know a lot of the videos that you guys have seen with my tapered hair, some of them, well, I don't want to say pre-recorded. It is in real time, but some of my other videos that you guys have been seeing pop up are pre-recorded. But all of the hair videos regarding my tapered hair is of present time. Okay, so I'm just spitting a few of those out just so I can keep you guys abreast with what's up with your girl's hair. So I am still rocking the tapered cut, and I have to say, y'all, I like it. I like it a lot, especially now. If you live down south on the East Coast, y'all know that it has been hot. It has been like, I think the highest we've had so far is roughly 97 degrees. But the humidity is just ridiculous. Ridiculously miserable. It makes the temperature feels much more hotter than maybe what it actually is some days. So the short hair has just been right on time. But there's a but I still kind of miss having a head full of hair. I really do miss just having the option of doing different flat twist natural hairstyles. Unfortunately, a lot of those styles I cannot do with tapered hair, or I can do it but I don't get that same va-va-voom. You know, it's just one of those types of things. If you've had a head full of hair, and if you've had short hair or tapered hair, you can relate, possibly understand what your girl is trying to convey over. But I don't know. I really don't know where I want to go from here with my hair. As far as if I want to keep her tapered or grow her out. I'm just in a I'm in a twilight zone. I don't really know what I want to do or where I want to go as far as that part go. But I am feeling very inspired and encouraged to just do all the different things to maintain the health of my hair. And I must say, I truly feel like my hair is getting to a good place. I mean, look at her. She's cured. So I'm feeling her. She's feeling me. And we feeling each other. And we mesh like peanut butter and jelly, like Kool-Aid and sugar, like cereal and milk, okay? We just loving each other, okay? It's this thing between me and her, okay? We just got this. But the struggle is still real, cause I still kind of feel like I'm looking like a boy. Like I still haven't gotten over that hurdle. Girl, it's still a struggle, okay? So I am still kind of dealing with that. Now, if you look at me from this side, I feel like I look like a man. And then when you look at your girl from this angle, I feel like I look like an adolescent boy. And I ain't feeling it. So, you know, the struggle is still there, but I'm trying to embrace it as effortlessly as I possibly can. But this is her. I'm still tapered. If any of you guys are wondering as far as when was the last time your girl cleaned her up, man, y'all, I think it's probably been, y'all, I think the last time I tapered my hair was June. No, May. I think May was the last time I tapered my hair. I have not done anything but style my hair once a week since June. So it's been almost 2 months since I've last tapered my hair, so that's why I look a little like peach fuzz there, because it have been quite some time since I last tapered my hair. And again, it just kind of goes back to what I mentioned to you guys from the very beginning. I'm in a I'm not sure what I want to do phase, but I will keep you guys updated either way the river runs, what I'm going to do. But yeah, here's your girl. I'm alright, and I'll follow back up with you guys in the next video. Smooches.